To make a back pocket for a pair of jeans, there is always some kind of stitching, one way or the other. There are a lot of different ways of doing this. But to do this without drawing and having these drawing lines afterwards, it is possible to make a template. If we look at this one, I got a template here to help me to do my stitches. The template is made in the shape I would like my stitching. I've taken away some millimeter. That's the distance from the needle to the edge of my sewing foot. This is one way. Then you see, when I make one, I can just turn it and do the other side as well. The one I'm going to show you is something like this. Here is my template, and you see this is the shape. The reason why it's bigger than my pocket is because this pocket is already put on the fabric. But before doing all this, I have here my pocket and I fold it twice, and now it's time for top stitching. Now sometimes if you got denim, you would like to have a heavy thread to stitch it with. My machine is happy about doing that, but some machines don't like it. So you can actually trick the machine. So I put in 2 normal threads, and that you can't see it afterward, but that helps, so it's looking more heavy. Now this time I chosen to use a light blue, but that's more so you can see what is happening. Now do double stitching, and first stitch is 2 millimeter from the edge, and make sure you're not having tiny little stitches, because that's not how jeans are. It's normally a little bit longer. So now we got the first one. Number 2 is placed 7 millimeter from the edge. And now we've got our 2 top stitches, and as you can see, it's not to be seen that this is 2 regular threads that's used, but it gives the right impression. Now it's time to do the top stitching, the decoration. So I place my template in the edge, place it in here, place my foot in line, and start doing this, following my shape. And now I got one. Now I can just turn it and do the other one. So I'll just start doing that at first. Again, place it and then sew in line with go in line with the template. Now I can just put my template aside, because now I got one, but I would like to have 2, cutting away loose threads. I got something about that, I can't stand it. Then I'm just going to make number 2, and I'm going to do that approximately 1/2 centimeter from the first one. So you see, got this one, and my last stitching you got your top stitch of your back pocket. Now it's just a patch pocket, so you fold it, do that by ironing, and of course clean your pocket to get rid of all these thread pieces. And now it's just to put it on, attach it as a normal patch pocket. This is possible to do in any shape you like. You can do how you like it. Just remember, your template are supposed to be without the distance from the, you got to draw the way you like it, and then you reduce your template with the distance from your needle to the edge of this foot, because then it's possible to go like this in the edge and the stitching will be here. So a pocket decoration for the back of, for example, a pair of jeans. Did you like what you just seen, and do you want to learn more? Then subscribe. I'll constantly develop and upload new things, all based upon the professional way of sewing. All the best from me, and good luck with your work.